Howdy doody Judy, and how do you do today? Welcome to Cleveland Power and Performance in this beautiful 2009 Dodge Challenger SRT8 6.1 liter Hemi 6-speed manual transmission, light hit, rebuildable, or use it for your project car. You know, we're not playing any games here at Cleveland Power and Performance. However, this reminds me of something near and dear to my heart. Some kind of Smash Bros mobile, okay folks? And a new Challenger has approached. I feel like Captain Falcon on an F-Zero track. Wow, wow. I'm gonna be passing out horsepower prescriptions like my boy Dr. Mario. This thing's faster than Sonic the Hedgehog, and this is one Donkey Kong of a deal. Pikachu, you peek at me, I peek at you. It's such a hot deal, it's like Charizard himself forged this deal in the flames of wherever he came from. Hop on a flagpole, slide on down to Cleveland Power and Performance. Or I want you to give me a call at 866-236-5031, because you know and I know that there ain't no loss of power here at Cleveland Power and